guests, esteemed dignitaries, Honorable Block Education Officer, dear American guests, respected teachers, parents, dignitaries, and all of my dear friends. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all to the inauguration of St.mary Composite Science Lab and Kindergarten Learn Early Fun Lab in our St. Mary's English Medium School, Mudalgi. Today marks a significant milestone in our St. Mary journey, and we are thrilled to share this occasion with you. Our St.mary Composite Science Lab is designed to foster curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking in our students with state-of-the-art facilities and equipment, the wonders of science, and develop a deeper understanding of the world around them.
ಯೆಹೋವನಲ್ಲಿ ಭಯಭಕ್ತರಾಗಿ ಆತನ ಮಾರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುವರು ಧನ್ಯರು. ಆತನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಿ ಅವರು ದೇವರಿಂದ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದುವರು. ಯೆಹೋವನು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟದಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟುವರು ಕಷ್ಟಪಡುವುದು ವ್ಯರ್ಥ. ಯೆಹೋವನು ಪಟ್ಟಣವನ್ನು ಕಾಯದಿದ್ದರೆ ಕಾವಲುಗಾರರು ಕಾಯುವುದು ವ್ಯರ್ಥ. ಬೆಳಗಾಗುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳುವವರೇ ಹೊತ್ತು ಮಲಗುವವರೇ, ನೀವು ಆಹಾರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಡೋದು ವ್ಯರ್ಥ. ಆತನು ಅದನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಯರಿಗೆ ನಿದ್ರೆಯು ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾನಂತೆ.
ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಸಮಯ ನಾವು ಸೆಂಟ್ಮೇರಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಇಂದು ನಡೆದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ
in our St. Mary's English Medium School, Mudangi. First of all, I thank the chairman of our school and the principal ma'am to introduce us our science laboratory because it helps the students to learn the things practically and it makes the students curious about all the science and experiments. Today, I am explaining about the physics lab. Here we can see their electrical equipments and here is a circuit connector by which we can measure the volt and the electric current running in it.
Are required to keep the laboratory on the frontiers of science. I am Aksha Thattari and conducting scientific experiments and research in the field of chemistry. It's a complete environment where students, researchers and scientists can investigate the compositions, properties and reactions of matter.
Here today I am going to explain about microscope. Do you know what is microscope? Microscope is one of the main important object in biology lab. It is used to see the tiny objects like plant cell, animal cell and the microorganism. It has special lenses. The eyes we can put inside it and we can see the object clearer and larger. And in our lab we have compound microscope which can appear the image very clear, bright and larger.
Based on biology, and when you understand it, it becomes a technology. So good morning everyone present over here. I, Ifsia Aziz Ahmed Mastana, was standing before you from grade 9 who would like to explain some sequence of the biology lab. As you can observe, these are the morphological activities present in our organ systems. And now you might have a question, what is biology? Biology is a scientific study of life and living organisms. As you might be thinking why is this biological lab very important?